What's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have shown you all how to get this Harley Quinn makeup look. I think it's super fun to create and you're just gonna enjoy the result. So why not? I really hope you all like this makeup look. Also, I love my ponytails. It's giving me those back to school vibes which I'm loving. So this is the look I have created. This is much more easier than the regular makeup. It's just a few simple steps and boom, you have the makeup look. I think it's super fun to do and I hope you'll like it. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Hey, wait a moment. Have you subscribed to my channel as yet? If you have, then thank you so much guys. But if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. With that, let's get right into the video. To begin with, I'm going to be starting with the foundation and I need something light. So I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 125 Nude Beige. So this is light for my skin and that's exactly what I want. I'm going to be taking my beauty blender and I'm going to be applying this on my face. Basically, you need to apply a lighter shade of your base. As you can see, this does not match my skin color and that's exactly what I'm looking for. Yeah, sure, it's gonna look a little ghostly, but this is what we are looking for. 3, 2, 1 and...
Blend, 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 blend.
We want our foundation to match our neck. We don't want it to look two different colors and hence I'm gonna be applying it on my neck as well. Up next, I would be defining my brows and I'm just gonna properly shape them using some concealer. So I'm just gonna be taking this concealer. I'm basically just concealing my brows wherever there's a little excess growth and I'm just gonna be shaping them properly using this technique. And then I'm gonna be taking my beauty blender and blending everything in well. Up next, I want to use a concealer, but I want something which is very light. This yellow corrector with this orange corrector. Here, light refers to the shade and not the coverage. Finally, this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna be applying it under my eyes. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna be taking my beauty blender again, taking my time and blending it in. Make sure you dab the product on your face and don't rub the product using your beauty blender. That's just gonna destroy your makeup. This is really gonna help y'all. Rubbing the beauty blender on your face is just gonna take off all of the product from your face, which is not gonna give you a good base. So dabbing the beauty blender is the best option here. I'm practically blending it all over my face. I wish I could color my hair blue and pink guys, but my mom wouldn't allow me just for one video.
So blend, 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 blend.
Okay, this is how I want it to look. It's fine if it's messy. Harley Quinn is messy. Now you want to take some powder and set your entire face. It's fine if the powder is a little white toned because the base is extremely white, so I think that kind of balances it out. I have set it using some powder and I want my face to look extremely white, so don't be afraid to go a little extra with your powder. Next, I would be moving on to a blue eyeshadow and the side's blue and the side is pink. Or maybe vice versa. Okay, I'm gonna do this side blue. Yeah, I'm just gonna stick with that. Randomly applying some blue in a very messy manner because Harley Quinn is messy. Now that I noticed my rubber bands, the blue side was actually supposed to be pink and the pink side was supposed to be blue, but that's fine. You can put it this way as well. I'm not able to decide which color to go for. This is more purple toned. I think I'm gonna cancel out this or this. What Harley Quinn has is more of a reddish pink, I guess, and this is more like a bright pink. This Lakme one, I think this suits perfectly, so I'm gonna go for this Lakme. I'm gonna be applying it on my eye like so, then quickly taking a brush and blending it out because it dries super quick. Next, I'm taking a pink shade and blending it out. I'm just gonna be tight lining my eyes. And I'm also gonna be applying a little bit above.
Now I'm going to be taking this brush again, which I used earlier, and I'm just going to be smudging it.
I thought I could use my pencil brush and smoke it out later, but I think I'm just gonna be taking the same old brush and I'm just gonna be blending it out. Up next, I'm just gonna be taking my spoolie and brushing my brows in an upward direction and then shaping them. Harley Quinn has dark brows, so I'm gonna be filling mine with some dark brown mixed with some black. Up next, I'm just gonna be contouring my face using this contour powder. This is slightly darker than what I generally use and it just makes the makeup pop even more. It's not soft, it's pretty harsh, and that's exactly what I'm looking for today. As far as I've noticed, she doesn't have any blush on, and since she doesn't have blush on and she has a tattoo over here, I'm pretty sure it was the pink side, but I can't put my mind into if it was on the left or right, but I remember it was on the pink side. I also feel it was on the right side. Or maybe the pink should be on the right and the blue should be on the left. It's confusing. I have to see it. I mean, I can't quite put my mind into it. Any which ways, I'm just gonna draw it on the pink side. Basically, I have just taken my kajal pencil and I have drawn a small heart on my right cheek. Wait, I have a feeling it's too big. I don't know, I need perfection. It should be a teeny tiny cute heart. And yes, I had to redo that heart. I think the heart's okay now. And now I'm gonna be using a white pencil to kind of mark the tattoo rotten over here, and then I'll use an eyeliner to make it proper. Before I move on to anything else, I'm just gonna finish off with my mascara. Moving on to my lips, I'm gonna be using my lipstick, and here goes. You basically wanna use anything red. I'm gonna mention all the shades in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I'm just gonna be applying my lipstick, and then I'm gonna be taking the lipstick and with that I complete the look. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Having said that, please wear your mask, sanitize your hands, and please take care of your health, guys. I'll see you all super soon with another video. Until then, bye.